There she goes, rolling in the grass. Huh, Ginger? Kismet's like, what are you doing over there? Huh, Kismet? Hello, Kismet, Kismet. Hi, Kismet. And Nala's all the way over there. Nala! 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 Well, there we go, back on the path. Huh. Come on, girls. Come on. Yep. Walking before it rains because it's supposed to rain sometime today. Clouds are getting pretty dark, so. Oh, there she goes. There she goes, prancing in the field. Yeah, she loves it out here. Huh. Huh, we all love it out here. Gonna enjoy it before it starts raining again. And this is gonna get all muddy, so we won't be able to come out here for a little while. That's alright. Enjoying it while it lasts. And now Nala's up there. Alright, hope everyone's having a good day.